Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the fit function on the TrouDigital Online Design Studio. With the fit function, in a single click, you can full-size widgets and media on your design canvas. It's very easy to use, so let's get into it. Firstly, you'll need to select a widget and place it on your design canvas. In this case, we're selecting the image widget, so drag and drop it onto the canvas. In this case, I'm also going to add some content just so you can see the effect a bit more visually. In most cases when resizing your widget, you'll be using the toggles on the corners or sides of the widget. As you can see, it can be good just for simple resizing, but if you want something to take up the full width of the screen, it gets a little bit tricky and takes some guesswork. To remove the guesswork, use the fit function. At the top of the studio, you'll notice this dark grey bar. The fourth icon along is the fit function. It sort of looks like a plus with some arrows coming out of it. If you select your widget and press the fit function, the widget will automatically full size itself to take up the whole of the design canvas. This means that this widget is now 100% the height and 100% of the width of the canvas. This means that when the widget goes onto your screens, there'll be no white space, and the image also won't be overflowing on either side, so you can be sure that all your dimensions and sizes are correct. And that's all there is to it. If you want any help using the fit function, please email support@TrouDigital.com. Thank you.